If you have to know the answers of the astrology test, it is very simple. Go through the hint that is in the question, and then you can write your comment as an answer. And now it's time to check the correct answer. The sign Aries rises in the ascendant, which means that besides Rahu and Ketu, Mercury is also a functional malefic planet. So, to know about the mental capability, you have to look for these points. First point, you check the condition of the first house and its lord. Second point, fourth house and its lord. And third point, fifth house and its lord. And also you have to check the condition and the strength of moon and Mercury. Now let me explain why we take only these points into consideration and not other factors. Basically, mind is represented by moon and Mercury in astrology, because moon is the subconscious mind and Mercury is your conscious mind, your ability to derive at a conclusion by analyzing. And moon is your heart, moon is your inner feelings, and moon is that action is, in fact it is not an action, moon is the reaction. It is that reaction which comes from you instantly. For that you don't have to think, that is already pre-programmed in your mind, and those reactions are involuntary. It does not take the permission of your analytical mind, that is your left mind, to do things. That is moon, your unconscious mind. Like you blink your eyes, do your eyes take your permission to blink it? No, it is automatically. Likewise, moon is those reactions which comes into our purview without asking us that whether we have to do this thing or not. It is the natural spontaneous reaction. And why Mercury? Because Mercury is the analytical mind. And why first house and its lord? And first house because it rules your body and mind. And fifth house is the intellectual mind, that is your creativity, that is your way of thinking. That is ruled by moon in the natural man's horoscope. Fourth house and its lord, whether it is moon or not, it may be sun, it may be Mercury, it may be Jupiter, it may be Saturn, that depends upon your ascendant. So you have to look for fourth house and its lord because it acts as moon. That is your inner feeling, that is your pre-programmed habitual patterns that you follow from your birth, from your childhood. And if someone's fourth house and its lord, fifth house and its lord, moon and Mercury, everything is damaged, it's not in full strength, even all these factors are very weak, in that case the mental capability of the person may be retarded and he may not be able to even study. So a remedial measure is prescribed, is advised to those natives whose planetary weakness led them to a weak and retarded mind. It is very simple. Go for personality horoscope report and order your personality report, personalized life horoscope. Your personality horoscope will tell you in detail about what is your mental capability, and if you have any problem due to afflictions, then you can go for remedies. So keep watching me and discover more about astrology and your life. Take care.